Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how to solve the display over other features app not available for your phone. So I have a video maker app. I use it for recording. So when you do the recording, the video maker app says display feature not available over other apps. So my developers actually turned it off to make the phone run faster, but I need to do recording, so I need that. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually solve this, and don't forget subscribe, like, share, and then comment. Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do is enable the developer options for our Android devices. So we just go to our phone settings, then go to your system settings, scroll down to your system settings, then go to your build number phone, then tap it around 7 times. Tap your build number around 7 times, then it will say enter your pin or password pattern to enable the developer options. So once you enter your password, then it's done enabling your developer options. So now the developer options are now available. Once that is done, we need two apps, the Shizuku app and the app ops. So download Shizuku from Play Store, download app ops from Play Store. So the first step is from Shizuku app, open the Shizuku app, then you'll find multiple options. So the first option to do is press the pairing. Once you press the pairing device, the pairing option, you will get a developer option. Then press on it, go to your settings, it will take you to your settings, then go direct to your wireless debian. So go to wireless debian, then when you get there, you enable the wireless debian. So mine is already enabled. I can enable it from the bar, from my option bar up there, or I can do it from the settings. So mine is already enabled. So once you enable it, then tap besides, just besides it, then it will give you other options like pair with QR code or pairing code. So use pair with pairing code. So once you press the pairing with pair code, it will give you a code and a filling bar will pop up from a screen. So you need to fill the code on the pop-up screen that just came in. So you just type the code up there, and then once you're done, press OK, and it will say pairing successful. So it will say pairing successful. Then go back to your Shizuku and press start. Once you press start, most of the case when you press start, it will tell you to disable the wireless debian, then enable it again. So that's what you're going to do. You just press back to your developer options, then disable it, then enable it again. Once you do that, press back and it will say wireless debian connected. Then the start code will be connected and the Shizuku will be ready to run. So all the coding will be done. So once you're done doing that, now we need the app ops. So go back to our app ops. Once you just open the app ops, all the apps will run by itself. All the apps advanced options will be open. So once you're done there, you can now look for the app you wanted to fix. So mine was the video maker. So you just look for the video maker app and make sure you don't interfere with system apps. So I just go straight to the video maker app, then I'll get advanced options. Then you just look for the advanced options. You will get display over other apps option, so you can ignore it, make it default, or allow it. So in this case we're just going to allow it, because if you do the default options, then it will not work. So once I just allowed it, I can now go back to my video maker app. Then if I press recording, it will not tell me display over other features not available. It will just start recording. So if you are doing YouTube live streams and other things, screen recording, doing the live, you can use this, because most of the phones don't allow that, and very challenging for guys to actually do live streams with screen records and all of that. So Once you just do this, you can do this for YouTube, for other apps that you need to do, and it will work out perfectly. So don't forget subscribe guys for more tutorials, walkthroughs, and how to solve issue videos. So you can comment on any other issue you want me to show you how to do it, and I'll do it. So don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment.